Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video we will create a program that will ask the user to give the length of side of the square, and then our program will solve the area of the square using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, likes, comments, and then I hope that you learned every time that I post a video in my channel. I really appreciate your support. I would like to shout out Devin, Marshmallow, Sir Ernil, and Ma'am Robelin, our YouTube my channel avid subscriber or always watching my videos. If you want to be shout out in my channel, kindly put your name and then shout out. So let's begin. So I'm using Dev C++ as my integrated development environment. So we have your sharp includes stdio.h. Stdio means standard input output header file. Int main, it is a function in every C program that is being executed by our C compiler every time that we run our program and terminate. And then we have here several variables and side underscore value and area. So int means integer, it refers to data type that can accept whole number, 0, and negative number. And then we have here line number 7, printf new line to new line, skip sequence character. And then we have here the title for program area of the square in C, line number 9, new line also. And then line number 10 up to 11, we are asking the user to give the length of side of the square. Okay, so whatever value it is, it will be stored in our variable side underscore value. And then line number 13, we have an assignment operator area that will perform computation of the side underscore value by itself twice. And then line number 15, we have a new line. Line number 16, we will display now the result area of the square. Decimal because we have a data type of integer, and then we have here end of program, and then return 0. We have here begin, close, curly bracket. I will put a link in the video description, guys, so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, let us compile and run so that we can check the result. Area of the square in C, give the length of side of the square, we have 6. The area of square is 36, and a program. Another example, area of the square in C, give the length side of the square, we have 4. Area of square is 16, and of program. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on area of the square using C programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel, guys, by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.